Good morning, class 4. In the last class, we studied about different type of maps. What are they? Physical maps, political maps, and thematic maps. Today, we will learn about understanding size in maps. Take your social study book and turn to page number 56. The information in the map must be accurate. We should be able to tell what the size and shape of a land is by looking at the map. And how is it possible? How is it done? Is it possible to show the actual size of a country, city, or a town on a map? Yes, it is possible. And how it is done? The actual size of a country or a city or a town is shown with the help of a scale. Now, what is a scale? A scale means connecting or the connection between the actual size of a place and the size that is shown or drawn on a map. Look at your book. This line is 5 centimeter long and this line is 10 millimeter long. See, this is 5 centimeter. If you have got the scale with you, then you can see from here to here is 5 centimeter, and I will place it on the line and you will see this is exactly 5 centimeter. Now, this smaller line represents the bigger line, and therefore if you divide 10 by 5, how much will get? You will get 2. So that 2 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. This 2 millimeter will represent 1 centimeter. Children, do you know the actual distance between Kolkata and Delhi is how much? The actual distance between Kolkata and Delhi is about 1400 kilometers. Now, is it possible to show the actual distance between Kolkata and Delhi on a map? Yes, it is possible. How? We have to scale down the actual distance on the map. See, actual distance is 1400 kilometer, and this 1400 kilometer can be reduced to 14 centimeter, and 1 centimeter will represent 100 kilometers. Now, is it possible to show 1 centimeter distance on a map? Yes, this is possible, because 1 centimeter is not very big, but 100 kilometer is very big. So what are we doing here? We are scaling down the long distance and reducing it to smaller size, and that smaller size represents the bigger distance. This is called scaling down. Look at your book. There are two rectangles are given, rectangle A and rectangle B. In rectangle A, the longer side is 5 centimeter and the shorter side is 4 centimeter. And in rectangle B, longer side is 10 millimeter and shorter size is 8 millimeter. So this rectangle B is drawn to scale of 2 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. If you divide 10 by 5, you will get 2. So 2 millimeter represents 1 centimeter. And it is an actual and accurate representation of rectangle A. So this method of drawing an exact and accurate representation using a scale is called scaling down. So in scaling down, what are you doing? You are showing the long distance on a map by reducing it into shorter distance, and this way it is possible to show the distance of a particular place on a map. Now children, what is scaling up? When we use a scale to find out the actual distance of a place is called scaling up. In every map, you will find a scale in one corner of the map, and that scale will help you to find out the actual distance between two places with the help of scale. See, a scale showing here that 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer. Now see here, 0 kilometer to 50 kilometer is 1 centimeter. Look at here, this is exactly 1 centimeter. So children, what is 1 centimeter on the map? That is actually 50 kilometer on the ground. So This is called scaling up. What is shown in the map with the help of scale, that is 1 centimeter. That 1 centimeter represents the actual distance of a place, that is 50 kilometer. Now I hope you have understood what is scaling down and what is scaling up. Children, today we learned about what is scale and what is scaling up, scaling down, and how it is helpful to understand the actual distance on a map. In the next period or in the next class, we will learn about color and symbols. Thank you.